Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. والصلاة والسلام على سيد المرسلين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to start the lesson number 8 of Madani Qaida with Tajweed. And before starting this lesson, especially I would like to request to you to subscribe my YouTube channel if you are serious and if you are learn the Holy Quran with Tajweed. And inshallah, in this channel, the complete Quran Pak, verses by verses, word by word, would be uploaded here, inshallah. So let's start properly. The name of this lesson is Khadi Harkat. Khadi mean vertical. Khadi mean vertical and harakat mean zabar, zir or pesh, as we learned in the chapter number 3. Okay? Khadi mean vertical and harakat mean zabar, zir or pesh. It means khadi harakat. Khara zabar, this is khara zabar. It means vertical zabar. Okay? Khadi zir, it means vertical zir. Okay? And inverted pesh are called vertical harakat. Okay, it means khadi harakat. The vertical harakat are the same as the letters of mada. So this lesson is very similar to the previous lesson as uh, previous lesson number 8. Okay, so pronounce the vertical harakat by stretching them up to one alif as letters of mada, or up to two harakat like the letters of mada. Okay, in this lesson differentiate clearly between the letters that sound somewhat similar, just like sin, squad, ta, qa, dal, wa. Okay, so make a differentiate between these letters. Ta, vertical zabar, ta, ta, vertical zeti, ta, inverted page to, ta, ti, to. Now we are going to read without spelling. Okay. Qa, ti, tu, za, zi, zu, la, ri, lu, lo, we, lu, bo, li, lu, fa, fi, fu, sa, si, su, so, sui, su, ka, ki, ku, ko, ki, ku. So the major difference between these two calls of is that this cough is being read with thin voice. Okay, this cough is being read with thin voice, and this cough is being read with thicker voice. Cough, 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 cough. Ha, he, ha, he, hu. So both have same. Okay, this is not alif. This is alif. If if alif is alone without any harakat, without any vertical harakat, without any tanween, then this noun as is alif. If alif having something just like harakat, tanween, or khadis, vertical harakat, then this noun as hamza. A, e, u, ra, ri, ru, da, di, du, ho, khi, hu, gho, ghi, gu, ba, bi, bu, ma, mi, mu. So this lesson is completed here, and I think you may got it. And if you have any queries and confusion and anything in this chapter that you are confusing, so you may ask, and inshallah I will provide you sufficient material to support you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.